you in Macau. It's been a while. I want to see you. You make me smile. Hello, Macau. Oh, how have you been? I really want to see you. Oh, my, Macau. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. I'm looking at you, Macau, wanting to see more of you. Oh, what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh, my, Macau. That's my, Macau.
Okay, so we're on a street called Horta y Costa Street, which is named after a governor, and his name is actually around quite a bit in Macau. So it's kind of it's right there. So it's kind of a I think originally I thought it was like a vegetable and coast, which is kind of the direct translations, but it's actually the name of an actual person. So what we're going to do is walk down our street, and then we're going to show all these things, including this little bloom store, and go down by the municipal market down this way, and we're catching all the illuminated lights as well. So stay tuned for that. Macau. So okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau, and let's just get right into it. We're going to also show you the lyrics. So we created some music and I fit that up into AI, so that's there as well. And I think there's no more to be said for this particular video. I just want you to experience it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Walk and talk time. Checking out Macau. Okay, so here's Horta y Costa. Then right along here is some barbershops in this row, but we're going to be focusing on this street in a moment. But we'll just walk down real quick. And then yeah, they have two barbershops right here. Sometimes I go to this one. And then this one goes to Horta Campo right there, which is kind of a main road. And then this one goes across. So we're going to be going down that way in a moment. So let's just kind of go up like this way, and then we're going to get back to our Target Street. And our Target Street's name is, again, right up. Just kind of go down that way too. This area down here had a lot of Thai places. Thailand. Here's our name again. Okay, so we're gonna go down our Target Street right here. Show you different stuff. Taste of home. Elevator that goes up, and the escalator. All of the barber shops right there. Very photogenic, very cool image. Right now, this is a perfect time to be filming this particular street because of the lighting. And then this is called Bloom. I'm gonna capture this bloom. Has like 3 O's. Capture that a little bit. Okay. So let's walk down more. So I love how the lights kind of illuminate in this area. Then we have this black and white tiles.
你都未識係咪合適啊嘛？
Okay, so let's keep on going down. We got some nice balconies as well here. Really photogenic. Then we also have the municipal market. I think I did do another video where I did walk into here. I should walk in again, so maybe we'll do that as well. This is kind of what it looks like. Looks like it's closed. Hello. I think it's mostly during the daytime. I did walk through my last video where I walked in this municipal market area, but this one's going to be Horta y Costa Street. And then in the daytime they'll have some other stuff here too. They actually have some right now, but later this will be a lot more vegetables all the way surrounding the market as well. Okay, so let's go down. Can I capture some of the comidas? So I think what I'm going to do in this particular video is I'm going to go all the way down to the end, and then I'm going to turn right and go towards Horta Campo. And when we started the video, we started on a street that was parallel to this one, so that will kind of give you some context of where we are exactly. Pretty cool. Nice image of the Mercado. Okay. So we are going to walk down this way further, and then we're going to walk to the right and walk down to this. It's a nice. The lights are kind of flickering a little bit. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to just walk down to the main street over here, and then I'm going to keep the video going, but at least you get an idea of the street that's next to, like, you know, that was a little street with no cars, right? The pedestrian walking street. And then now we're into the big main road right there. So earlier we started over down that way, and then we basically went in a little bit. And so we went in and went down Horta y Costa. And now we're gonna just walk down. Now you kind of have an idea of how Horta y Costa is linked to this Horta Campo Street. This one right here is one of the oldest restaurants in Macau, 1918. But it's I thought it shut down. They had a newspaper story about that shutting down. Oops, they said hello, but I didn't catch it. Okay, so we're going to be ending our video, and at least you have another idea of another street of Macau, and that was Horta y Costa. Now we're walking down Horta Campo. On that note, we're gonna end our video.
It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh my Macau.